Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to get your own Spotify subscription. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details, like and subscribe. Now, just a quick tip, if you're planning to get any subscription for a much cheaper or better price, scroll down to see the first link in the description or the first link in the comment section below, which will send you to Gamsgo. It's a website that I've been personally using for the past 3 years. It saves on you money by sharing your account with other people under one subscription, just like a big family. And so as you can see, there are multiple options from here to choose from, including Netflix, which we can just click on here, and this will be the price for 3 full months, and then go to the promo code and write Gummy for an additional 5% off to get the best price possible. For the sign up procedure, just search Spotify in your Google browser and then click on the first link right here, and from here it will direct you to the main page where you're going to go to the top right and click on the sign up button. Now from here you're going to create a brand new account, which is going to be from any email that you might have, and then go next and then write whatever password that you feel is comfortable with, and that follows the same description that has below this. Then from here you're going to write your full name, and then from here you're going to also write all your information, and then once you fill it, click OK on all the terms and conditions, and then click on sign up, and voila, now you have a brand new account. Now for the subscription, all you have to do is go right here and then go to upgrade to premium. Now from here it's going to be in the local language, but if you need to, just click on translate since you're using Google Chrome, and then from here click on start, and it will show you all the packages, but for a new account it will usually give a brand new month for free. And then from there, once you click on all your information and your payment method, you'll be done. And for all the packages, you can see individual, student, duo, and family. And for the student, you just should provide a student status, such as your certificate or your student ID provided by your university or school. But for most people, premium is the best one. And so once you do that, just fill in your information and you're good. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.